Welcome to the Archivard Review channel, where I will be reviewing the latest digital products that are efficient and effective to grow your business. I've also added my own personal bonuses, which greatly enhance Traffic Cloud. So if you do listen to the specific review right through the end, you'll also hear about the benefits. At the same time, if you're not interested in terms of listening through it, so you can click through onto the link that will be in the description below, and it will take you directly to my website where you're able to click and buy this specific bonus. But I'm going to do a review explaining what Traffic Cloud is about and how you guys can benefit from it, even with my bonuses that I have added. Alright, a review of what Traffic Cloud is all about. My review of Traffic Cloud. Traffic Cloud software is an all traffic solution to the potential for increased traffic growth by driving 100% free viral traffic from 6 different social media giants: Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Imgur, and Blogger. Excuse me. The Traffic Cloud software allows you to create or edit unlimited posts from its massive collection of visual assets, images, quotes, and GIFs. You can make them clickable by embedding your links and sharing them on your 6 social network platforms with just a few clicks. These engaging clickable posts act as traffic magnets that stand out and get the desired clicks, effectively driving potential customers to your sites and or offers. Traffic Cloud has instant sharing. You can also schedule your posts to post anytime during the day, effective marketing or future dates for targeted campaigns and offerings. Traffic Cloud gives detailed analytics, a feature to give you clear stats of likes and comments you are receiving with the post. These are some of the benefits that you do get. Well, in terms of the benefits there, it's 4 billion plus images, plus 20k plus GIFs with post creator. Create ultra engaging posts that get clicks. There's 1,200 and searchable viral quotes. You can create compelling posts in minutes. Make your posts clickable by embedding links into them and drive traffic directly to your sites or offers. From inside the Traffic Cloud dashboard, you can share unlimited posts instantly across social networks or schedule to share later. You'll get detailed analytics of shared campaigns. This will help to get a clear picture of which posts get results. Your post will engage social media users with stunning visual content at the drop of a hat. You can enjoy ongoing targeted traffic within minutes of launching any campaign. So you'll notice, based on the explanation that I've given you, it's actually quite a simple tool that you're able to use in terms of pictures, in terms of GIFs or quotes, where you can embed your links, and obviously within those you can drive traffic to your site or offer that you'll be offering, with obviously using the stated assets that they have there. As stated, they've got over 4 billion plus images that you guys can use, as well as 20,000 GIFs. I'm not going to read through too much of what's happening because it's similar to what I've said in terms of you can share unlimited times, get detailed analytics, tested and proven products with 100% newbie friendly, absolutely no tech skills required. So yeah, they just explain a bit more. You can read through it in the event that you when you've clicked through to my link in the description below. Once you've done that click, you can obviously just check what else is being stated. I will advise the link will take you directly to the vendors page. I'll get onto the vendors page, which is actually launching in a couple of days time. Over and above, they haven't put too much information, so when it does launch, you'll get a bit more information. In that information, you'll get even some of the videos that they have made, demo videos, etc. I've also added it onto my website. Excuse me. So the pricing and packaging for Traffic Cloud review or Traffic Cloud itself. The first offer, OTO, is 2 billion plus additional searchable images, 1,200 plus searchable viral quotes, one-click instant sharing on 3 additional social platforms, Tumblr, Imgur, and as well as Blogger. Advanced automation using keywords, and so much more. And most of it would obviously fall under personal use. In the event that you want to try and use for agency rights, you can have that specific option, and that is obviously within the first option, OTO 1. And these are some of the bonuses that you will get in terms of purchasing it. You'll get a WooCommerce membership secrets, simple social expandable, social media automation, social media manager 2.0, Periscope for entrepreneurs, social messaging apps for marketers, video upgrade, peak productivity video upgrade. So these are the 7 bonuses you will get, plus my bonuses, which I will get to at the end of this video. So that is what you do get in the Traffic Cloud Pro, whether it is under personal use or agency rights. The one that you can do on a reseller type is, it's all of the information that was stated on this side, as well as resell rights, allows one to sell Traffic Cloud as they own and keep 100% of the profits. And obviously, in terms of the bonuses that you do get, it's Turbo Dynamic URL, Shopify Traffic, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0, Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies video upgrade, backlinks analyzer softwares, modern niche marketing video upgrades, undercover make money methods softwares. And then obviously this is the product that you do get. In terms of the product, at this current moment, it is priced in at a discount. So be aware that it will go for $27, and in the event that you do take for option 2, it will go for about $37. Please check on it. It is for a limited time only. So if you do get it, you'll be able to purchase it at this specific price. If not, it will be at a new price that the vendor will be selling it at. As stated before, in the event that you want to check out the demo, how it works, what the vendor shows you, the different ways in terms of building the different assets, whether it is a GIF or it is an image that is there, this demo will explain a bit more in terms of how it goes about it. Alright, on my side, these are the bonuses that I will further explain that I have added in. You will be able to get it. Just remember, you do get it included in your purchase when you do buy it. The first bonus that that will be part of the purchase is 70 minutes of social media strategy for every business in 2020. So this will give you a clear marketing strategy, media strategy in terms of how to go about planning and putting your business ahead for 2020. Bonus number 2 covers social media marketing tips to dominate in 2020. This will obviously assist to encourage traffic, as well as assist you with the Traffic Cloud itself. But this will give you obviously tips in terms of how to use it for your own benefit. Bonus number 3, it's the best digital marketing tools to grow your online business. Again, it's something that does assist you in terms of teaching you the basics of marketing and obviously giving you tools to be able to grow your business. This is, as I said, part and parcel of the bonuses that are there. Bonus number 4, it's 17 guerrilla marketing tactics for entrepreneurs, proven and effective. So again, guys, in the event you want to use and get some of these bonuses, please click on the link. Grab this plus bonuses right here or any place in the specific page, and it will take you straight to the vendor's page where you'll be able to obviously do the purchase. Alright guys, thank you for the time, for listening through on my review of Traffic Cloud. It was a pleasure explaining the true benefits of this exceptional product. I'm going in depth to fully equip you with the knowledge and know-how. Please don't forget the extra bonuses that I said earlier on. I've personally added as my own, and you guys can obviously be able to use and enjoy. You won't regret it. Thank you very much, and hope to see you guys soon.